Oh, what's up everyone? It's Frankie and I have another Mountaintop Pro tip for you. Today we're going to talk about how to put the fishing line on the bait casting reel. Last week I did the fishing line on a spinning reel and yeah, I just figured that some people use one of these instead. So here we go. Some things that'll help you complete this are obviously the line, bait casting reel, and a pair of scissors. This is real simple. This is how I've done it since I started using a bait caster. A lot of guys like using fluorocarbon leaders and such. Some guys will put monofilament or fluorocarbon on their bait caster, but I prefer not to, just because I don't like dealing with the memory that monofilaments and fluorocarbon have. So the first step here is get your fishing line open. Scissors are always a huge help. Now once you have your line open, all you want to do, and as I was saying in last video, this sticker here, this thing helps tremendously. You'll want to just throw that to the side for now. So you have that off to the side. You want to take your line and you want to start going through the line guide. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Oh, hi. So now once you have it through all the line guides, and if you're not familiar with what a line guide is, or what I'm mean by that, just these guys. And then you want to take your line and you want to go through here. It's very important to do that. I messed that up one day, and yeah, let's just say the line wasn't going on the spool correctly. It was a huge mess. So once you have your line through here, let's see if I can get a little seat or something. Alright, so you want to take your line and put it through one of the holes if you have one of the spools that are drilled out. If not, you can use your tape. And then you just want to crank it around so you can start and tie an overhand knot, which is what I will do now. Now once you have that knot tied, you can cut that little tag off, make it cleaner. And now with that little sticker that you took off your line, you just want to cover up that knot, like so. And now it's really important that you keep the line tight when spooling a bait caster. That's just a tip that I received from an older fisherman, but yeah, so what I like to do is just hold the line out here pretty tight. And then I normally just have my line laying on the ground. I think that works fine. Some people like putting it in a box with a pen, just for an easier rotation, I guess you could say, but this works fine for me, so this is what I do. So I'm just going to go ahead and spool up the bait caster. Make sure your line's not caught in anything before you start spooling. And guys, there are many ways to do the things that I'm doing. This isn't necessarily the right way or the wrong way, it's just my way. It's what I find easier. If you have a way that works better for you, hey, go for it. Whatever's most efficient is definitely what I would always go with. And if you guys haven't yet, that giveaway is still going on until October 31st. I'm giving away that Akuma Stratus 6 spinning reel. Great reel. I have no problems with it. I used it a few times, but then I switched over to Baitcasters, and it's a pretty big reel. I think it puts up to 20-pound line on it, and I just don't really have a use for it. I don't catfish that much, or I don't go for big stripers or anything like that, so there's just not really a use for me to have it, and I figured that one of you guys might use it a lot more than I would. Also, please, if you like my videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out. It means a lot. It'll, you know, it means a lot. It's awesome. I wouldn't hold on to the line too tight though. You don't want to end up cutting yourself or anything, especially if you're using nylon. Sometimes that'll just go right through you. Alright, and once you're happy with how much line you have on your spool, you can take your scissors, cut your line, tell you what, braid is a pain in the ass to cut. Now you're ready to tie on your favorite lure just like last time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'll put out content every Wednesday. I'm looking to actually put out content more often than that. So yeah, please let me know if you have any ideas or anything that you would like to see on the channel. Have a great day. Keep on fishing.